Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I have a very exciting unboxing. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I will be unboxing the Louis Vuitton California Dream perfume. So if you want to see the unboxing and hear my thoughts on it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so a few weeks back I went into a Louis Vuitton store, not my local store, but I went into one. I tried on this perfume because obviously I've been hearing so many people talking about it, and I love perfume. I probably have at least 10 different perfumes right now. I'm trying to get through them. But anyway, I really was interested in the scent. I wanted to go smell it in person. So I went into a store, the sales associate sprayed some on me. And she told me, she's like, you know, don't decide on it right this second. Wear it around, see how you like it, and see if it really suits you. So I did, and man, this stuff has really good staying power. I think this has the best staying power out of any perfume I have, except for maybe Alien. That one stays really well too. I would say this one and that one are very comparable, and like as far as staying power goes, not as far as scent goes. But then, you know, I was at the mall with my sister like 2 weeks ago, and my birthday is actually the day that I'm filming this, September 17th, but at the time it was obviously still a couple weeks away, and I really just wanted to get myself something nice. I do have like I've been saving for something as far as like luxury goes, and I decided I really wanted to get this perfume. So let me just give you some of the details on it from the website so I can give you all of the factual information. And I want to say, when I had read the description on the website and it mentioned having like citrus, I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like citrus. I don't really want anything super citrusy, you know, I'm just not into that kind of scent. And then that's why I never ordered it online, because I definitely wanted to, for one, I wanted to go in store. If I can go in store, I will, just because I like the in-store experience, and you build a connection with an SA, so I think that's good too. And it's just more fun, you know, when you're spending the money that these things cost, you want to have the whole experience. So anyway, when I had seen that it had like citrus in it, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like this. But spoiler alert, I absolutely love this perfume. It is hands down like my favorite perfume now at this point. So let me just pull up the details here. Okay, so the retail price of the 100 ml bottle, which is 3.4 fluid ounces, is $265. And as I'm filming this, it is available on the website, so you can go ahead and purchase it on the website if you want to at this current moment. Of course, things on Louis Vuitton go in and out of stock all the time, but I will say 3.4 fluid ounces is pretty good. I mean, most perfumes that I have are somewhere in the like 1 ounce to 1.5, nowhere above 2. So, and some of those perfumes that I have that are above the 1 ounce, those are over $100 anyway. So $265 for 3.4 fluid ounces is really not bad. Let me go ahead and unbox it, and then we will continue to discuss it. So she actually did give me a sample of the perfume as well, and I have been trying that out over the last couple weeks, just because I wanted to be like 100% certain that I wanted this, because once you open it, you cannot return it. So I figured, might as well use the sample, and I have to say I've been using the sample like every day since I got it, and I still have some left. So it definitely is a decent amount, and if you are interested in the perfume, I definitely recommend going in and asking for the sample, just because, you know, you could try it out and really get a feel for if you like it. So it comes in this bag, and then here is the pretty beautiful box. Honestly, this is what sells me on it. This is just the most gorgeous packaging I've ever seen. It's like cotton candy. I love it. And basically it comes in this plastic, so I'm gonna open it. I do want to keep it because I love it. So I'm opening it up. And another cool thing about the Louis Vuitton perfumes is that they are refillable bottles, and the refill is $165. So for 3.4 ounces for $165 refill, that's really not bad, I have to say. So the box has like a open flap over here. And then I've never bought a Louis Vuitton perfume before, so this is very exciting. I've never seen what it looks like. And I definitely kind of want to keep the box too, just because of how it looks. So it comes in this little like tube, and then you just pull it off. Oh my gosh. And even the bottle has the gradient. It's gonna be hard to see because my wall behind me is like a blue-gray, but it does have the blue to pink gradient on the bottle. The glass bottle looks very, very luxurious. It feels very luxurious. The top is a magnet, which is nice. So that's very nice. The smell, the smell. The smell, it smells so good. I don't even know how to explain it to you. Let me go ahead and read the notes if it tells me. I'm gonna read you exactly what it says on the website. Mandarin is passionate as a sunset. It's the lengthening of a perfect day, watching nightfall, drinking in colors, standing before the horizon. In this iridescent fragrance, the master perfume, I don't know how to say his name, holds on to the moment, captures the renaissance of a sunset. The ardent mandarin is consumed by joyfulness, tempered by the diaphanous ambrette and its subtle warmth. And the evening gets underway as graceful, vanilla-tinged benzoin envelops the skin in an affectionate balm, as light as a summer night. I want to see, oh, here it says mandarin, amberette, benzoin, I don't know how you say that. I will put it up on the screen what the notes are. And it does come in a 200 ml as well. So if you do want the bigger one, go ahead. But honestly, I think 3.4 ounces is plenty. And perfumes can go bad, just so you know. So, you know, the sales associate I had first talked to when I first went to smell this, she said that for most people, this will last a year, even with everyday use. And honestly, I could totally see that because of how long the sample has lasted me already. And I've been using it every day for like 2 weeks. So I could see that this will last a long time, and you don't need a lot, honestly. It smells just so good. I wish I could explain the scent to you better than the notes. I wish I could think of a comparable scent, but I really don't know. It's just very fresh. Like, it's very fresh. It does, to me, it does have almost like that sweet kind of smell, but it's not overly sweet. Like, it's just fresh and sweet at the same time. It's just beautiful. I highly, highly recommend that you go in store, at least smell it, try to get a sample, and then see how you feel. But I know this unboxing really isn't a lot, but I just wanted to come on and show you and give you my thoughts on this. Let me try to give you an up close of the bottle. Here's what it looks like. Camera is funny because you could see me through it. But the bottle is beautiful, and I do want to note that the sales associate had told me don't store this in a very sunny location because it can make it go bad faster, and also don't store it in your bathroom because I guess something to do with like the moisture in the bathroom from the shower, it can mess with this. So I'm personally going to be keeping mine with my other perfumes, which is in my like office / beauty room. So I will definitely be keeping it away from direct sunlight and also away from the bathroom. So that is it really for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. You'll have to let me know in the comments, do you have this perfume? Are you wanting it? Do you have other Louis perfumes that you love? Honestly, I have not really smelled many others. I didn't even smell any when I went in there to try this one because I was so dead set on this one. So you'll have to let me know what your favorite Louis perfumes are, or just perfumes in general, because I do love perfume. I do have a good collection going. So you'll have to let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss any future videos. And go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to do that because that helps me out. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.